After installing your main server, you may want to add an additional load balancer. This is achieved by purchasing the load balancer add-on from the billing and support system. Once you have purchased your add-on, you will then need to go to your CMS portal. On the left hand side, go to Server Management and Servers. In the upper right hand corner, you will see Add New Server. We're going to give it a name of Node 1. Once you click Add Server, you will be given a code that you need to copy and paste. You will need to use an SSH window into your new node. We're using this one in the top right hand corner, and you paste the code, and that will download a file called install_node.sh. It will also run it for you. So the first thing it's going to ask for is your SlipStream CMS server address. That is presented here on the Add Server page. If you have configured your CMS to use a domain name instead of an IP address, your domain name will appear here. After entering that information, we also need to copy across some of the details. The CMS server port must be the same on your main server and your load balancers. And lastly, we do the server UUID, or the unique identifier for this node on your CMS. That will now be left running, and I'll come back in a few moments. Now that your server has installed, let's go back to the main panel. We refresh our page, and here is your load balancer ready to go. You now have a few more options when you go into Streams, as you will be able to select multiple servers. Thank you.